Star Wars. If you could pick the wrong note and write it in the comments and write something really mean, then you get bonus points. But first, you gotta play the song. So, this song's in the key of G. That means we have an F sharp all the time in this song. Yeah, not all the time. Almost all the time. Occasionally the F isn't sharp, but for the most part it is. I'll point them out when they are. They come a lot in the second page. Since we're in the key of G, we have to know our 1, 4, and 5 in the key of G, because that makes it a lot easier. Although the 5-7 chord isn't in here too much. So we could just do that 1 and the 4. So remember, 1 chord is your regular 1, 3, 5, and then the 4 chord moves those top 2 notes up. So make sure you practice that a whole lot so you know how to play this easily, because that's going to be in half of the left hand in the first page. In fact, the whole first page is just 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, and then some other chords. So let's actually start with the left hand since you did all that. So it starts with a low G and then jumps to the high 1 chord, and then the 4 chord, 1 chord, 4 chord, then it goes down a note to F chord and D chord. Remember, D has that black key. Okay? So that's the first 2 lines of the song, which is actually the same as the next 2 lines of the song. Let's do the right hand. The right hand starts with this G chord. Remember, G chord is G, B, D. Well, this is a B, D, G. It's called an inversion. So find that 2 on D, and then your 1 on B, 5 on G. That happens a lot. Then it goes to a G chord up here, and then 3 is on C. So we can reach that high G. C, B, A, G. So I'll play that whole thing. C, B, A, G, and then 1 is on D, and then 3 crosses over. So see how that 3 crosses over just like a scale? Remember all that stuff? Now it's just going to be on the C instead. So that's why we do all scales and stuff. You knew there was a reason for all that. So that's pretty much the right hand, and then you want to slow it down and see if you can line up where both of them happen, or both of the hands happen together. So that's pretty much the first page. The second page goes to this other part. And we're going to break that down for you in little bite-sized chunks. If you look at the music, they have these slurs. That's what we're going to practice. Just these slurred notes all together. Oh my God, hooray for slurs, they say out there. They love their slurs they do on Washington, Water Street. So, the right hand's going to start on that little C chord, and then the 1 goes to E. So we could do that. E, C, B, A, G. So try that a little bit. And then there's a triplet. And then here's our first F sharp. One of the first F sharps. First in the right hand. So remember, there's no F in this song. They go right to F sharp. So make sure you can play that. The left hand is pretty simple. It's just D and D. Low D, high D. The whole second page is pretty much just D and D. So we have... So practice that little phrase. Then the next little phrase is very similar. It says 4 on C. So we could do this different ending. So it starts with a D again, and then 1 on E, 4 on C. And then we have another F sharp. Of course, you should probably be pausing the video between each one of these little sections, making sure that you can play them before we move on. Then this third little phrase is the same as the first one, so we don't have to worry about that. And then here we're going to start at measure 15 at the big crescendo. And that's pretty much a scale. It's a G minor scale. So just like when we did scales, remember that thumb crosses over? In this case, the thumb comes on B flat. And then it's a D chord here. D, F sharp, D. And then the song starts over. Yeah, that's pretty much all of it. Good luck, work through the little phrases and just find all those little repeats. Take one hand at a time on this one because it's a little tricky to do. And then start speeding it up. Good luck, bye.